afternoon. I am Wei Shen Ye, Product Manager of Rising Energy. I'm very happy to stand in here and present to you our innovative solar model heterojunction technology hardwire to you. At first, we will talk about some market. We know under the call or our global call of natural carbon neutralities, various regulations and law has been introduced over the world, promoting the PV technologies, and also at the meantime, coupled with like energy crisis, this has led to like blooming in the PV industries, and we are all in this wave. And as we know that as for the main drive for the development of PV technology, so as an alternative to replace the conventional energy, is to lowering the LCOE to make it economically and ecologically beneficial for the society and environment. And in addition, Ryzen believes that minimizing the carbon emission for the solar panels during the manufacturing is also an effort we need to do to achieve the carbon neutrality. And based on this, too, we have started all the PV technologies from like which is still nowadays mainstream POP technology, but which whose potential has been exhausted, and also the emerging technology, N-type technology, including TOPCon and heterojunction with a higher potential over 28%, and also the next generation technology, tandem cell, can be similar upgrade from the heterojunction technology. Based on this, we have compared all this technology, and we will see that in most aspects, heterojunction is advanced. It's most advanced is like carbon emission, technology, scalability, equipment capability, the fish factor, and also wafer cost. Of course, we have some weakness in terms of like equipment cost and like non-silicon cost, but we believe that with the scaling up, we can smoothing this weakness. Thus, we have firmly chosen heterojunction as our focus technology, or champion technology, and start our journey since 2019, and to launch our first heterojunction product series, which is called Seeger series, based on 185 solar cells. And when we're entering the big cell area, we invest immediately based on the new technology platform, and break twice the world record in the heterojunction efficiencies. And by 2022, we have officially launched our new heterojunction technology based on 210 technology platform called HyperAI. And by this year, first half of this year, and we have put this model in mass production and break again the world record, reaching efficiency 23.9%. Of course, during this, like throughout our industrializing and R&D and mass production of our technology, we're facing a lot of challenges, especially to increase the efficiencies while maintaining the reliability and also lowering the cost. But we have cooperated a lot like leading third-party institutions and also our own R&D teams, and overcome develop a lot of advanced technology to addressing these difficulties. And first, we know because we know that out of the nature of heterojunction technology, its highest efficiency has to be reached under a lower thickness. So we adopt 100 micrometer wafer for the production, reducing a lot of silicon cost. And out of the characteristic of the heterojunction technology, the production and of the solar cells and the solar model has to be performed under very low temperature. That's why we selected low temperature silver paste, which is silver coated copper, and we started different kinds of low temperature and low silver content pasters, and found the optimal options which can increase a lot of efficiency while maintaining the reliability. Thus, also we have developed our own patent hyperlink technology with operating temperature of 25 degrees to addressing the interconnection challenges Furthermore, we use wafer cutting technology instead of solar cell cutting technology to avoid the damage which will be occurs when we're cutting the heterojunction solar cell with high temperature laser. And also with this technology, we can optimize this loss of wafer and silicons. First of all, because we know that on the first layer we use the TCO, which is a transparent conductive layer. It's a poor adhesion between the conventional encapsulation material. So we customize our own encapsulation material to increase the adhesion tension between solar cell surface and also the encapsulation material to maintain this have a higher reliability under high temperature or even under hot spot. Furthermore, the heterojunction technology we use is third generation with double-sided microcrystalline silicon wafers. So with this structure, we have a widened range of we can utilize and absorb a wider solar spectrums and resulting in higher energy efficiencies. To summarize, we retrieve first in the technology terms. We are first one to mass production of own patent state-of-the-art solar cells. We are first one who have 90 micrometer solar cells. We are first one have reduced our silver consumption in heterojunction technology under 10 micrometer per watt. And we have the first one use the hyperlink state-of-the-art stress-free interconnection technologies. And based on this technology, we have launched two main products. In the left is the one breaking the world record, has a high efficiency up to 23.9%, consists of 66 solar cells. In the left is a smaller size, has power output up to 585, which aims to medium and large scale rooftop project and also utility project, with an efficiency up to 22.4%. And this is some key factor of our champion products. As you can see, the main string power is between 685 to 700 watt and has efficiency around 22.1 to 22.5%. And for this product, we have expanded our product warranty from 12 years to 15 years. And also the degradation was being further reduced to 1% in first year and 0.3% per annually. So after 30 years, the power warranty will still have power retained over 90.3%. And compared to our peer products, we have higher power output and high efficiency and higher beneficial factor, which is 15% higher compared to power and 5% compared to TOPCon. And also we have higher generation yield, around 3% higher than the TOPCon and 3% higher than TOPCon. And we'll also have the most stable temperature coefficient, temperature coefficient, which is -0.24 among OSP technology, which guarantee a high energy yield under high temperature application scenario, especially in Spain, Africa, somewhere. And with high power output and efficiency, we can reduce a lot of BOS cost and have a very low LCOE. And also to minimize carbon emission, we use our self-patent steel frame technologies, and this not only reduce the carbon emission for the 70%, but also increase the reliability of the structure. As you can see, we have also run 18 scale wind tunnel test, and it remains very well, and no defect was being found after the test. And furthermore, with our steel frame, we can have more resistant. Our model is more resistant under some high load. As you can see, under 3,600 watt loading, our steel frame models can much more less compared to aluminum frame. And further, we also done some simulation tests to testify our our advanced energy yield. We select 21 locations over the world with typical climates, As you can see, compared to the POP technology, our energy yield is around 1.3 to 3.3% higher, and compared to the POP technology, our energy yield is around 5.3% to 7% higher compared to POP ones, which means we can bring more carbon values to the end customers. And we also validate this simulation of results with our some site tests. We have five site tests of the world, 3 in China, 1 in Chile, and 1 in Belgium, and all shows the same similar outcomes, which is consistent with our simulations. And with this high energy yield, we're thinking that we can offer much more values to the end customer, and this price maybe we were thinking that consists of mentioned 2 parts, which is regional premium and deluxe premium. For the regional premium, we can how to explain this is so that, for example, we would like to build a project site with 100 megawatt, and we have 2 models for option. Which one is with with port technology 670 watt, one is our head junction technology 700 watt in same size. But with higher power output and head junction technologies, we can offer more so with higher power output in single model, we can reduce a lot multi-structure, inverter, cabling, also the land use. So the BOS cost was much reduced. This is a part of price premium we can offer to the end customer. And also when we build 2 projects, 100 megawatt, one is with port technology, one is with head junction technology. Because of the higher energy yield, even it is the same size capacity, head junction has 6 to 7% energy yield. It means after 30 years life cycle, we can generate 37% more electricity to the end customer. For sale, we can gain more revenues for the project. These 2 parts together, we were thinking we will offer the select customer 1.9% per watt as a price premium in the products. So we're thinking head junction, Ryzen is your right choice, and together we will make a difference to the world, greener world. Thank you.